This video tutor explains the function print all record. This function is used to take a printout of all the records. Here record means details of the book. So R is a list of tuples. So R is a list of tuples. It's a list of several tuples. This is tuple 1 and the details of the book include book number, book name, author name and total quantity available. So this is R of 0. R of 0 means the first element of R. It's a tuple. And this is R of 0, 0, R of 0, 1, R of 0, 2 and R of 0, 3. Now suppose two records are there. So one more record is there, another tuple. Tuple contains details of the book. Book number, book name, author name and total quantity available. So this is R of 1, the second element of the tuple, second element of R. And this is R of 1 0, R of 1 1, R of 1 2 and R of 1 3. So R is a list of tuples. The data that we want to print is written to the text file printme.txt. So the text file printme.txt is opened for writing purpose in W mode. Get size is a built-in function. It is present in the module os.path. So it is called as os.path.getSize. So at the beginning I imported the module os. So if you import OS, all the sub modules will also be imported. So os.path is also imported. Get size returns the size of the text file printme.txt. If the size equal to 0, pass empty statement, nothing to do. Otherwise, we should write a new line character before writing all the records. So now the size of the file is 0. Printme.txt is empty, so straight away you can write a data. Suppose if it is not empty, if the size is not 0, here it is not 0, first you have to write a new line character and only after that the remaining data should be written. Now n is equal to length of R. So n contains the number of records in R. R is a list of tuple and in this example R contains two records. This is record 1, element 1 and this is record 2. So R is equal to length of R. So n is equal to length of R. So n contains the number of records in R. In this example 2. ofs.write. So this heading is written to the text file printme.txt. Now ofs.write new line. So a new line is written to the text file printme.txt. Range 0, n. N means number of records in R. Example taken 2. So range 0, 2 returns 0 and 1. So here 0 and 1. I contains the first integer in the range 0. So when I is equal to 0, the first record will be written to the text file printme.txt. When I becomes 1, the next record will be written to the text file printme.txt. So anyway, range 0, n is 2. So range 0, 2 returns 0 or 1. Initially, I is equal to 0. R of 0, 0 will give you the book number of the first record. R of 0, 0 will give you the book number of the first record that is converted to a string stored in a temporary variable, and R of 0, 0 book number as a string is written to the text file printme.txt. So here book number is written as a string. Now ofs.write space. So one space is written. Now R of I1, I is 0. So R of 0, 1 will give you the book name of the first record. That is stored in a temporary variable and that is written to the text file printme.txt. So here the book name is written. Okay, the book name is written, and after that a space is written, ofs dot write space. Now r of I2, I example 0, so r of 02 will give you the author name of the first record that is stored in a author name. Even otherwise it is a string, so no need to convert that into str. In the final version of the project it is corrected. So r of 02 will give you author name of the first record that is stored in a temporary variable temp. ofs.write temp means that author name is written to the text file printme.txt. Now here ofs.write space, so one space will be written. Again r of I3, I is 0, so r of 03 will give you the total number of books available in the first record that is converted into a string, stored in a temporary variable temp. ofs.write temp means the book number of the first record as a string is written to the text file printme.txt. Now ofs.write new line, so a new line will be inserted. Now the for loop repeats. I contains the next integer in the range. So here the next integer in the range is 1. So I is equal to 1. Now r of 10 will give you the book number of the second record. R of 10, this is r of 1, the entire tuple, and r of 10 will give you the book number of the second record that is converted into a string stored in a temporary variable. ofs.write temp means that book number is written to the text file printme.txt. Now after that ofs.write space, so one space is written to the text file printme.txt. Again r of I1, this time I is 1, so r of 1 will give you the book name of the second record. So book name of the second record that is stored in the temporary variable. ofs.write temp means the book name of the second record is written to the text file printme.txt. Now ofs.write space, one space is inserted. I is 1, so r of 12 will give you the author name of the second record. It is already a string, so actually no need to perform this conversion. It is corrected in the final version of the project that is stored in a temporary variable temp. So r of 12 will give you the author name of the second record stored in the temporary variable temp, and ofs.write temp means that author name is written to the text file printme.txt. Now here ofs.write space, so one space is written. Now I is 1, so r of 13 will give you the total number of books available in the second record. It's an integer that is converted into a string that is stored in the temporary variable temp. So ofs.write temp means the number of books available. It is converted into a string and that is written to the text file printme.txt. Now here ofs.write new line means a new line is inserted. Now you exit from the for loop because there are no more integers in the range. Here you close the file. Remember, the file is removed from memory. It is still there in the hard disk. Start file is a built-in function. It is present in the module OS. So it is called as os.start file. It opens the file printme.txt using the application print, which means we get a printout of the text file printme.txt. So whatever is there in the text file printme.txt, we get a printout of the same. So here we get printout of all the records. So this is how print all the records work.